patterns are not very well drafted any longer, and that started to happen when we went with multi-size patterns. You used to buy a size 10 pattern or a size 12 pattern. Well, those days are long, long gone. And it's because of that that ends are not the way they're supposed to be. It's so simple though. It's called truing the edges of a pattern, and let me show you how to do it. Let's say that this is an A-line skirt and the sides of your skirt are angling out. All of this manifests itself the most when you're dealing with angled lines. If edge here is too big by that much on this side and that much on this side, let's fix that as we cut the garment out. Or once you've decided where you're going to turn up the hem, all you have to do is fold it up the way it's going to be and then go along your side line. So all I need to do is go like that. Do you see the edge that we get? Now when this hem turns up, we're going to have the correct circumference around the edge where we're going to be hemming. Let's do the other side. You always have to fold it up in the way it's going to end up and then cut along the original line. Now, when this folds up, do you see it's going to match? Isn't that cool? So simple. Forget all that basting and easing it in. No, make it work. Here's say that we have changed the design of our dart, that maybe we're hanging low and our bust point is down here instead of up here, and so we're going to change this dart to down here. We don't have that angle, right, that you're used to, that point at the sides of the dart. Let's see how we do that. Let's see how we fix that. All we have to do is fold in the dart the way it's going to be pressed, and horizontal darts press down. So you see I folded it how the dart is going to be pressed. This is how it's going to end up. So then I'm simply going to cut along this edge. Voila! Look at the point I have. Now notice how much of a point I get there where it's at an angle. Let's see how much of a point I have for this dart that comes in more at a right angle. Notice the difference in how much of a outie we have at the end. So the more perpendicular that a line comes into a side, the less of a point it's going to have. So again, you just have to fold the dart like it's going to be sewn and pressed, horizontal darts pressed down, and then cut along the side. Cut along the side and you get that point. That's as simple as truing the edges can be, but it's really nice to know that little trick. Use it.